Díogwit agus fáilte arás. In this video, I'm going to share with you some phrases that you can use in a conversation about the Irish language. So, for example, let's say you're talking to somebody about how your learning of the Irish language is going and that you enjoy speaking it and so on. But before we start, I'd like to give a special mention to this dictionary here that I have on my desk. It's the Collins Irish Dictionary, and I use this a lot to check on some grammar and words, and if I want to double check a spelling. And it could be a great learning tool for you as well on your journey to learning Irish and to improving your Irish. It has some great translations, some great sample sentences, as well as some grammar and times and numbers and lots more. So I'm going to leave a link in the description and a link in a pinned comment. And if you buy the dictionary from that link, not only will you be giving yourself a great learning tool, but you'll be supporting me as well, because I might get a small bit of commission if you buy that dictionary via the link that I give you here on this channel. So anyway, back to this video on having a conversation about the Irish language. Someone might ask you, "An bhfuil aon Gaeilge agat?" Have you any Irish, or do you speak Irish? An bhfuil aon Gaeilge agat? If you weren't particularly confident, you could just say cúpla focal, which means a couple of words, cúpla focal, or beag an Gaeilge, which means a little Irish, beag an Gaeilge. But you could also say tá mé ag fabhlam Gaeilge. I am learning Irish. Tá mé ag fabhlam Gaeilge. Fabhlam is to learn. You could say on top of that, tá mé ag fiosú de réir a chéile. I am improving gradually. Ag fiosú is improving. Tá mé ag fiosú de réir a chéile. And then this would be a great time to bring in one of the seanocals that I said to you in my last video, a couple of months ago now at this stage, I think. A seanocal is a proverb, and one of the proverbs in my most recent seanocal video was de réir a chéile a thógtar na caisleáin. That means Rome wasn't built in a day, or literally it means that it takes a while to build your castle. De réir a chéile a thógtar na caisleáin. A nice little proverb to use in the context of you learning Irish, perhaps. You could also get in there that Irish is my native language. Is an Gaeilge mo cheanga chúchais. Irish is my native language. Is an Gaeilge mo cheanga chúchais. You could also adjust that to say Irish is our native language by saying the following. Is an Gaeilge or deanga chúchais. There's just an uru there, which is the D before the T in Teanga, because it's or for our. Is an Gaeilge or deanga chúchais. Irish is our native language. You could go on and say then the following. Le bheith fiornach is bralum ag labhart na Gaeilge ach go háirithe. That means, to be honest, I love speaking Irish anyway. So if we break down that sentence, we'll get a closer look at phrases. Firstly, le bheith fiornach. That means to be honest or to be truthful. Le bheith fiornach. Is bralum. That means I love. Ag labhart na Gaeilge, speaking Irish. Labhart, ag labhart, sorry, is speaking, comes from the verb labhar, to speak. And then a lovely little phrase at the end there, ach go háirithe. Now that means anyways or anyhow. It's kind of like arenos in Irish is another way of saying that, arenos, and it just means anyway. So it's a nice little phrase to add a bit of richness to the end or even the start of your sentence. So let's have a look at that sentence again in its entirety. Le bheith fiornach is bralum ag labhart na Gaeilge ach go háirithe. To be honest, I love speaking Irish anyway. And after that then you could say tá I bhfad níos mó muíne agam agus mé ag labhart na Gaeilge. That means I've become more confident when I am speaking in Irish. Tá I bhfad níos mó muíne agam agus mé ag labhairt na Gaeilge. So tá I bhfad is just another way of saying I am or I have become. Níos mó is more or increasing. Muíne is a version of muín, which is confidence. Muín is confidence, and níos mó muíne in this context means to become more confident. And then ag labhairt na Gaeilge, as I was saying to you, is speaking Irish. So let's have a look at that phrase again. Tá I bhfad níos mó muíne agam agus mé ag labhairt na Gaeilge. I have become more confident speaking Irish, or I have become more confident when I am speaking Irish. And let's say you've reached your goals in terms of learning Irish, or you've got to the required standard that you set yourself. You could say the following phrase then: Obair chrua ba é, ach táim sásta go ndearna mé é. That means it was hard work, but I'm happy that I did it. Obair chrua ba é, ach táim sásta go ndearna mé é. Obair chrua is hard work, and then sásta means to be happy or satisfied. And then go ndearna mé é, is a version of the Irish verb dain, which is to do. That's an irregular verb, and I've made a different video on that. So go ndearna mé é is to do it, being happy that I did it. So particularly did it. Ndearna is to have done something in the past tense. Obair chrua ba é, ach táim sásta go ndearna mé é. So thanks a million for watching this video. I hope it helped you. If you found it useful, please give it a like, and don't forget to click on the link in the description if you want to purchase that great Collins dictionary to help you on your journey in terms of learning Irish. I'll see you soon anyway when I'll be making another video. Slán go fóill.